This weekend, I turned 30. 3 decades of laughter, love, and many, many lessons. Still, so many more to learn, God willing. And when I tell you everything went wrong, that could have gone wrong, I mean it. I went to a stylist that gave me nothing of what I asked for, as you'll see in a second. That left my hair damaged after I've been taking care of it for so long. And you can tell by my face the disappointment and the hurt that I had. But regardless, I think it was representative of the year I've had. Unforeseen obstacles and circumstances, things that I can easily let cause a crash out or simply ruin my day. However, I've learned to minimize the impact that I let these obstacles and challenges have on my day and my mood. So this was another one of those. Another challenge, another problem to figure out. Obviously, not when I wanted to be or when I wanted to do so, but I did. I went to the beauty supply. I figured out what I thought would make sense. I dyed my own hair and I rescheduled the photo shoot I had canceled the day before when he fried my hair. Again, many moving parts and gears, but I figured it out a step at a time. A step at a time is exactly what I feel like this year has taught me, what the universe and God and all my angels wanted me to realize, that I have to take a step at a time. It is not in my control. My plans are not mine, but his, the man above. And this is a year that I definitely learned that. I learned that plans are nice to have, but probably won't happen, and that's okay. And when they don't, you have to redirect and reroute and figure it out. And I've been able to do that, thank God. And even with the day that I had beforehand with the hair and the canceling of the photo shoot and the rescheduling and the dyeing my hair until 2 a.m, I realized that I had everything that mattered. My family, my mom, shocked at the job I did on my hair in a good way, my daughter, my dad, and my friends that love me as well and were there for me virtually in the ways that they could. But having family, health, my faith, and being able-bodied and having a home is so much more than I can ever ask for. And I'm grateful to be celebrating my 30s, welcoming this era, and doing so with my loved ones and the people that are most important to me. My daughter gave me the statue, and I just thought it was the sweetest thing to see that her faith is also growing, and that thankfully I play a part in that, and instilling that faith in her and having that relationship with God myself and as well as my daughter. This is what she made for me. This is her card. I loved it so much. She bought me one and doodled in it and wrote in it and also made me one. So, I mean, how freaking lucky am I, huh? She is the best, my absolute heart, and the best gift I have ever received. So all in all, I'd say it was an absolutely fantastic day. Great food with my family, a little photo shoot, reschedule at the end, hair catastrophe, fixed in a while, I hope. I bought some masks to recover. And yeah, little gifts and trinkets that I guess at least make me happy. But overall, feeling so blessed. I'm excited to see what this year has in store for me, my daughter, my family, my career, my ambitions, all the good stuff and all the bad that comes with it as well. I pray that I continue to grow, that I meet amazing people, that I keep the amazing people I have in my life, that I learn to let go, that I learn to let God, and that I learn to take it a step at a time and appreciate all the good in every single day and be able to look at the positive when things feel dark at times. I am forever grateful for being able to end the night cuddling my daughter and being healthy, and I couldn't ask for more. No matter the mishaps, these 30 years have been amazing, and I wouldn't change a thing. I'd love to create more this year, create more content, more memories, more laughter. So if you'd like to join me for the ride, it usually is a fun, turbulent one. Please do. And hopefully I can have a recap 6 months from now, a year from now, see how my 30s are treating me. But thank you so much for welcoming my 30s with me, and yeah, I appreciate you. I'll talk to you guys soon.